been a Ford main dealer now for 95 years. It's third generation of our family. And as such, it's a very mature business model. The franchise motor trade in general is a mature and stable business model. What we're trying to achieve is small improvements every year in lots of different areas. To make these small improvements, we need to be able to understand what we're actually doing better, be able to measure it, use the information from the phone system in relationship to the rest of our computer systems to understand what's going on and to improve it. Hosted Telephony's integration with Drive has made a massive difference. What this product did was enable us to combine three separate areas of technology that have never previously communicated with one another all into one bundle. So we now have our Drive system fully integrated with call recording and with the telephone system. So we can use the power of all three to their optimum. We operate a virtual group switchboard. We have a number of operators at different sites who all work together in the same switchboard group. They can answer any call coming into the business, and because it's all linked to marketing phone numbers, which we overlay on top of our ordinary phone numbers, those operators know which branch, which department the customer was calling, so they can answer the phone, both if we choose with the customer's name, answer with the local branch, and we already know what they're likely to be wanting. The intricacies of setup that are now available give us a real ability to maximise each and every phone call that's coming in and make sure that we don't burn customers at any point in the chain. Another massive benefit of the integration of the phone system with Drive is that call recording now becomes a useful tool. We can actually now identify calls by tracking back from the outcome and use those calls for coaching purposes instantly. So for instance, we'll look at a lost sale, and we have reports that can run in the background and say, for that sales exec, find a lost sale and give me a phone call that related to that chain of lost sales. That will then be automatically sent to the sales manager, and that will happen over a regular period of time, so he'll perhaps get 2 calls a day. He can then listen to that and then use that to coach and improve that person. 2 areas of the business that have really benefited from the phone system and the Drive integration are our call centre and our prospecting activity. I now have reports that tell me instantly exactly how many prospecting phone calls were made by each sales exec and what the outcome of that call was in terms of a car sale or not. So I have exact, accurate information on prospecting for the first time ever, and that has allowed me to transform the level of proper prospecting activity from very little to quite a lot. This is the first time in all those years I've been able to do that, and I've been wanting to do it ever since, so that is just a huge thing. In terms of the call centre, the same scenario applies. I can now not just see how many calls they say they've made, I can see how many calls have actually been made, and the two don't always tally up with everybody. So it's taken that variable out that was confusing the picture we had, making it difficult to evaluate who was good, who was bad, and what performance we really should be expecting. So that is a fundamental business shift from my point of view, and it's enabled us to improve our market share.